Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba is a Burkinabé military officer who heads the Patriotic Movement for Safeguard and Restoration, having overthrown President Roch Marc Kaboré on 24 January 2022 during the 2022 Burkinabé coup d'état. Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba was born in 1981. He graduated from the École Militaire in Paris. He holds a master's degree in criminology from the Conservatoire National des Arts et Métiers in Paris and a defense expert certification in management, command and strategy. Damiba is a lieutenant colonel and commander of the 3rd Military Region covering Ouagadougou, Manga, Kadaugou, and Fouta-Ngurma. He is a former member of the Regiment of Presidential Security, the former Presidential Guard of Blaise Compaoré. In 2019, Damiba testified in the trial of conspirators behind a 2015 coup in Burkina Faso that briefly deposed a transitional government, according to reports from the time in Burkinabé media. In 2021, Damiba wrote a book about the fight against Islamists, West African armies and terrorism, Uncertain Responses. On 24 January 2022, Damiba took part in the 2022 Burkinabé coup d'état. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.